Mine heavy breathing. I've been trying to get up here to get a better vantage point. It's snowing like a bugger. About 3 hours into my hike. Whoops, try to get my hand out of the way there. About 3 hours into my hike. You can see it's snowing pretty hard. The reason I'm breathing so is I was already up here and I went down the other side and I ran back up here just a better vantage point of it. As you can see, it is definitely coming down. Just gonna try to keep it off the lens. There's the way I came down this ridge there, or up that ridge there. It really is awesome. Let's try to give you a 360-degree view. And it's snowing harder than it looks probably in this video. There's where I'm headed still. I'm gonna still head over to that peak. Ah, very cool, man. It's awesome up here. Alright, I'll stand here and the video take in some of the snow.